Welcome. If you're looking to change your name on Instagram, whether it's for personal or professional reasons, it's a quick and easy process. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to change your name on Instagram. So let's get started. 1. First, launch the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to make the changes. 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. 3. Next, tap on Edit Profile at the top of the screen. This is where you can modify your personal details, including your name. 4. Now, tap on your current name. You'll see the text field where your name is displayed. This is where you can make the change. 5. Go ahead and make your changes to your name, and once you've updated it to your liking, tap the check icon in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it! Your name is now updated on Instagram. Whether you're changing it for a fresh start, updating it for business purposes, or just want something new, the process is simple and only takes a few moments. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.